this hairline that's giving me Eddie Monster or Chucky.
Welcome to the Living Irving channel. Welcome to the Living Irving channel.
Hey guys, welcome to Living Irving. It's your girl Tanya. In today's video, we will be doing a wig try-on / review by Mega Look, and this is a little short 8-inch wig, curly. When you receive your wig, it comes in a little satin bag that says Mega Look with their website address. Take the little hairnet off, and it's in its natural color and form. Doesn't smell the best coming out. The lace is a bit thick on here. It's quite thick. It matches my skin tone very well. On the inside of the wig, you have your elastic headband, a tuck comb in the back with the adjustable straps, one tuck comb in the front if you choose to use that. So they also send you a HD wig cap in this little gift baggie. So you get your HD wig cap. You get a pair of, they give you a pair of lashes, which is nice. You get your edge comb for this little cute hair jewel, which is super cute. And then you also get a headband to lay your lace wig down. My good old, ooh, I just tore the lace. Be careful. I am feeling like Chucky on Child's Play for some reason with this hairline. This is just not working for me. I'm gonna go in with this Aussie Miracle Curls Curl Refresher. Refresh these curls. Let's see if we can get this to do something here. Get this to come to life so that I can like this hairstyle a little better. Because this is not working for me. Now this wig could have definitely used a washing because it's smelling. I'm gonna go ahead and put some mousse on here because this hair is in need of some real curly curls to make this wig look better, because I'm struggling here. I'm struggling here with the look and how this is coming together. I'm gonna see if I can figure something out. This is much better, adding the mousse, because this is not looking like a natural hairline. Let me see if I can give myself a little bit of a part here. It's a cute little bob. I just gotta find my way with this bob. Okay, something is going on with this hairline that's giving me Eddie Monster or Chucky. I'm probably gonna ruin this wig, but I'm not feeling this hairline here. Ooh, this wig is some work here. I am not the wig slayer. This wig right here, this gonna need a little baby hair, something right here. Yeah, something going on with this here hairline right here that ain't cutting it for a sister. This ain't cutting it. This ain't cutting it. The struggle is real. I do like the bob though. Like how they got it chopped in the back, I must say. I do like that. Let me pick this out some. Okay, so this is what my look turned out to look like. This is the back, but I love the cut on the wig, the bob. It's a great natural looking bob, 8 inches. So this is how a nice bob should be cut. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
What else could you ask for? Baby, I'm a hot, sexy mama.